Hello, class. How are you guys doing today? I just have a short lesson for you guys about suffixes. Suffixes are just a little piece of a word that we add to the end of a word to change it into something new. So, for example, the sun melted in the snow. We took the word melt and we added ed to make melted. We formed the past tense of the word by adding a suffix to the word. The glass is breakable. We took the word break and we added a bull to change the word from break to breakable. Then there's this other example here. The princess believed her baby was beautiful. So we took the word beauty and changed it a smidge, dropped the Y, added I, and full to change the word from beauty to beautiful to make it make sense within that sentence. So over here we have a nice little chart of some common suffixes that you guys are already used to using and you didn't even know you were doing it. So we have able or able. When we add that to the end of the word, it means can be done. So, believable, we can believe it. Teachable, we can teach it. Respectable, we are able to respect the thing that they're describing. Valuable, we are able to put value on it. Breakable, we are able to break it. Like this glass over here is breakable. It is able, we can do it. We are able to break it. Then we have ed, which is usually our past tense verbs, unless we have those irregular verbs like we talked about 2 weeks ago or just before spring break. So jogged, ed, I already did it. I jogged before. Melted, it already happened. Kissed, ed, already happened. Get the idea? It's the past tense. With that ed on the end, we're just taking that verb and making it past tense, meaning it already happened. And then full, meaning full of. We have our example over there, the beautiful baby. Delightful. So if somebody is delightful, they are full of delight. Frightful. The haunted house was frightful. It was full of frightening things. Peaceful, we have peaceful playground, which should mean that it's our playtime that is full of peace. Helpful, somebody who is helpful is full of help. They're right there to help you, right there like a perfect little assistant. And useful, information that we can use is useful. And our last one over here, less. Less, we in math think of less as being the lower number, the smaller number. In this case, the suffix less, when we attach less to the back of a word, it means without. So if I am helpless, that means that you absolutely cannot help me. I am without help. If somebody is careless, they're doing something without being careful, without paying attention. If something is worthless, that means that it's trash. We don't need it. We can't use it. And spotless, that means that something is so super clean, it was without spots anywhere. So here we have it. Able can be done. Ed helps us form the past tense of a word. Adding ful, full, to the end of a word means full of, and adding less, less, helps the word mean without. And now you'll have some time to practice this in your work packet, and hope you had a lovely week so far.